Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious chicken drumstick recipe, and I'm going to make chicken drumstick with shalgam, and it's going to be very tasty and very delicious. If you haven't tried it, please try it. I have a 5-pound chicken drumstick. I'm going to take the skin off and then I'm going to wash it and I'm going to make a couple cuts. As for curry, you can use the water. I'm going to use the chicken broth, 1 can. It's a 14.5 ounce. All the spices I'm going to use will be 1 teaspoon each except salt, and salt is according to taste. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. Coriander powder, cumin seed, turmeric powder, biryani masala, garam masala and Kashmiri mirt, 1 teaspoon each. 2 tomatoes, 1 tablespoon garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger, and 3 green chili cut into long slices. 1 red onion cut into long slices. 1 big turnip. I peeled it, I washed it and cut into nice chunks to drain the water, and they are ready to go. Chicken drumstick, I taken out the skin, washed it, and we made a 2 cut on each drumstick. The whole reason I'm doing it, when we're going to cook it, all the masala is going to go inside each drumstick. When we're going to eat it, they're going to taste really delicious. Along with tadka, we're going to use 1/4 cup olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. And let's start making our delicious turnip chicken curry. Get a karahi and we're going to start gas. Keep the gas on high. We'll bring olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, we'll bring cumin seed, jeera. Mix it, and we're going to cook them like 10 seconds. Now I'm going to bring ginger and garlic. Mix it. We just need to cook like 20 seconds. We just need the garlicky flavor to go away. That's all we need. And now we're going to bring the onion. Mix it well. And now our garlic, ginger will cook along with our onion. And keep stirring. It's nicely translucent. So it's going to take a couple of minutes. Cooking our onion along with ginger garlic for 4 minutes. And they are nicely transparent. And now I'm going to bring tomatoes and green chili. Mix them well. Once it's nicely combined, this is all we need, like a half minute. We don't need to cook our tomatoes or green chili too much. We want them to keep as is, fresh. When we're going to cook our chicken, it's going to cook along. This is looking perfect. Now I'll bring all the spices. Salt, Kashmiri mirt, garam masala, biryani masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder. Mix it well. And we're going to cook our masala along with our tadka for 1 minute. So keep stirring. Cooking our spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Looking really nice. And now we'll bring the chicken and shalgam, turnip. Mix it well. We are still cooking on high gas. Once the chicken drumsticks are nicely combined with our shalgam, tadka, we're going to cover with the lid, cook for 5 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes. And I'm going to open. And we're going to mix it. Keep mixing, and we're going to cook additional 5 minutes on high gas. Make sure it won't get burned at the bottom. So keep stirring. All together cooking on high gas for 10 minutes. 5 minutes with the cover lid and 5 minutes with open lid. We'll bring the chicken broth, 1 can. Mix it well. Once it's nicely mixed, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 15 minutes. And we're going to bring the gas on medium. Cooking for 15 minutes on medium gas with a closed lid. I opened it once and I stirred it just to make sure that it won't get burned at the bottom. And now I'll open it. Mix it. Shalgam, turnip, if we check, they get mashed nicely. They are done. The chicken needs more cooking. Bring 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, sprinkle all over. Cover with the lid again and we'll cook for 10 more minutes on medium gas. Another 10 minutes of cooking with cover lid. I'll open it, mix it. Chicken drumstick with turnip shalgam curry is all ready. We can serve as is. If you need a running gravy, this is perfect. But I'm going to bring the gas on high. I'm going to have my curry a little bit thickened. We're going to cook until the curry gets thickened. Another 10 minutes of cooking on a high gas. I'm going to turn off the gas. The curry is thickened. This is what exactly I was looking for. Turnip shalgam chicken curry is very tasty and very delicious. Please try it, and if you like it, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.